I am back again. I am finally getting around to doing my giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers as a way of saying thank you to all of you all for all the number of likes and the wonderful comments that I get. The number of you who have subscribed to my channel, I know I've said this before, but when I first started this, I really and truly thought, if I got to 50 subscribers, that would just, blow my mind. Couldn't imagine it, and it was at 1,090 this evening when I checked it. So thank you so much to all of you. It means a lot to me that you are interested enough in the way that I do this to have subscribed to my channel to watch these videos. And I really, really hope that they are helping you all. Any problems that you're having, or if you're just starting out and trying to learn, I really hope that you're benefiting from the videos, because that's the whole reason that I started the channel. There just wasn't enough out there on alcohol ink painting in this kind of wispy style like this. Now, I wish I had a video of doing this painting. I do not. This was just one day when I was playing around and turned out a painting that I just absolutely loved. So this is what I decided to do as the giveaway. I hope that you all, or whoever wins it, I hope that you like it. I am opening this giveaway up internationally. I will pay the shipping. I know it's liable to be bad overseas, but that's okay. I really wanted a chance to say thank you in some small way, to give someone an opportunity to win this. And I was going to show you. All right, it's matted. You'll get this. The painting is on 9x12 craft plastic on this one, the opaque, the graphics craft plastic. And it is matted on this. It's a 11x14 mat, so if you want to frame it, you'll need a frame that fits an 11x14. I don't have the backing on it yet, you can tell. I did sign it on the back, so you will, oops. It is a signed original painting by moi, by Lorrie. Try to lay that back down there where y'all can see it. But that's what you're getting. And let's see, the rules, click like on my video for this giveaway. Also, I would love it. The more likes and comments and subscribers that I get, the more that my channel grows. Obviously, the more people that get to see all this. But click like if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. And in the comments on this video, simply comment the name of your country, because I just love seeing what countries all of you all are from. We're just getting this big global audience. I'm thrilled to see how many different countries we have on this channel now. So click like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment your country. I am going to start the giveaway November 9th, which is today. I'm doing it right now, doing this video this evening on November 9th. I will start the giveaway at 11 p.m. Pacific time, U.S. time. And I'm going to let it go until like 11:59 p.m. on November the 16th. So that'll be next Saturday. Oh shoot, no, I forgot. No, I think it's next Saturday at midnight is when it will end. So like 1 second before midnight is when the giveaway will end. And I will do, I'm not going to choose the winner myself, because I wanted this to be, completely fair with nobody feeling like concerned if maybe I knew the person that won if I picked them out or anything like that. I want it to be totally fair. So I'm going to go through Gleam. It's gleam.io, which I've learned through a little research, which is what a lot of people who do YouTube giveaways use this company to do, or this website to do a random comment choosing for your winner. So that's who's going to be doing the choosing for this. Won't be me, so I'm not to blame for anybody who doesn't win. I'm very sorry. But I'm going to go through Glean, and I will try to get the winner's name posted as soon as possible after the ending. Obviously, I'm probably not going to be on here at midnight that night doing it, but I will try and get that done the next morning. I'll try to get the winner video posted at some point on the 17th of November. So click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment your country, and that's all you have to do to be entered. Feel free to share this video with others who you think might be interested in this style of painting. I'm always happy to get my channel spread out there a little bit to other people who might be interested in learning a little bit about doing this kind of wispy style of painting. So feel free to share it if you'd like. At any time, you all are always free to share my videos with other people or other social networking groups or whatever. Anytime you want, does not bother me at all. If you share a picture or something of mine, it would be nice. I would appreciate it if you did give me the credit for it, or my YouTube channel the credit for it. I would appreciate it if you did. But as long as you don't claim it as your work, it's not going to say anything either way. So, all right. Well, once again, everyone, thank you all so much, and I hope whoever wins this is going to be very happy with it. Let me see if I can get it up a little closer. This is one that I really liked because I did some of the little spots and some different colors on it. So, oops. Did the kind of peach color in on the smoky gray green, and then that grayish green color, which I believe actually I used slate, a Tim Holtz Ranger slate, and this color, sorry, I painted this one a few weeks ago, and now I believe it was salmon. Or coral. No, this was coral. This is coral by Tim Holtz Ranger inks, and this is slate. So, and I'm going to put some links down in the bottom to the hair dryer, to this, the mats like this. Comes as a set. This is the way the winner will get it. These mats come with the backer board with it, and the mat, and these handy dandy little plastic bags that fit it just perfect. So I'm going to put some of those links anyway to some of the things that I use when I'm painting, the things that I've had questions about, the type of sealer that I use. I can't even think right now of what I've had questions about just about everything, with someone wanting to know what I'm using. So I'm going to put those links down there. Some of the links that I will put in my videos and in the comments from here on out. Now, I might get a small commission off of. Some of them will be affiliate links. My channel's actually gotten big enough that I can maybe start making, 5 cents for somebody who clicks through. You make a tiny bit of money if you click through one of my links and purchase something when you click through that link. So, thank you all so much. Once again, good luck to everyone. I'm looking forward to seeing who wins, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what all countries we've got represented now on this channel. So I will be back with you guys in a week to let you know who the winner is. Don't forget, click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment your country. Be sure you comment your country in the comment field, because that's what I'm going to set up as the control for Gleam for how to choose the person that wins. Will be through the country. So, or through the comments, I'm sorry. So, all right. Well, you all have an awesome week, and I will be back with you very soon. Bye.